Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, pass to number 29. Go for 2 points. Number 29. Number 29, pass to break, intercept. Nakuha gyapon ni number 14. Break, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Nakabuhi. Save. Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. This is 9 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score 2-0 pabor sa ZTZ.
Dong. Asok ka?
Number 26 enters shot by break, but not. Number 8 recover it. Oh, there's a whistle. Who commit the foul rep? Number 26. First personal foul, first team foul, ZTZ. Number 13, pass to break, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14, number 14. Giitsa, intercept by number 24, Nakali. Not good. Rebound by number 13, number 13. Dribbling the ball, intercept again by number 8. Number 8, Nagdali, guarded by Pre. Good for 3 points, number 8. 4-0, pabor. Behind the back again. One now move coming from Pre. Oops, traveling violation committed by Solon, number 14. Hah? Kuha dari.
Kasi daw ka to.
Number 26, dribbling the ball. Number 26, dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Number 9, number 8, 15 seconds to shoot, back to number 8. Pull up jumper, not good. Rebound, who gets the rebound? But number pilap na. Number 69, secure the ball. 15 seconds to shoot, intercept by number 24. Pass to number 36, nagdali, nagkabuhi, intercept by break. Ako na lang nag-una. Si number 14, good for 2 points. Number 14. Plus 4, pabor sa ZTZ. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 8, teardrop shot, not good. Rebound by number 9, not good again. Rebound, who gets the rebound? Number 14. Pass to number 13, ako na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 13. Gualis 4 ang score. Number 26, out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Toto deto, ikaw na. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Nangitan kabasan, pass to number 26 for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24, pass to break, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 26, but there's a whistle committed by number 26. Second personal foul, second team foul, number 26. Ang oras, 6 minutes. Time out. ZTZ. Number 13, pass to break, dribbling the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Toto, pass to number 14. Number 14, 12 seconds to shoot. Wow, who's foul rep? Number 24. First personal foul, 13 foul, ZTZ. Ang score, Gualis 4. Toto, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 26. Pass to number 69. Nakuha ni Toto. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. In out, in. In out, in. Darat Topia. Nanabag umang condition for. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Number 24, guarded by number 14. Ako na lang. God for 2 points. Number 24. Size 4. Pabor sa ZTZ. Toto, dribbling the ball. Pass to break. Foul. Number 29. Commit the foul. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. ZTZ. Number 14. Break. Pass to number 14 lang gihapon. Ako na lang. Out of bounds. Naigo sa tiyan ni Coach Tyson. Dribbling the ball. Break. Pass to number 5 seconds to shoot. Not good. Out of bounds, pula sa ZTZ. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Yep, there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 13. Toto. To. Ikaw na to. First personal foul. 13 foul. Highway. Number 8. Good for 3 points. Number 8.
Gamay kayo pero kuya.
May mura kon.
Number 14. Dribbling the ball. 14 dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Break. 10 seconds to shoot.
Jiti ko niya kay.
Toto ako na lang, but not good. Rebound ako lang gihapon. Break. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Break. But there's a whistle committed by 22. Oh, number 8. Number 8 day. Number 8. First personal foul, penalty situation, ZTZ. 8-4 pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras 3 minutos og 54 segundos. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 8. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Guarded away. There's a whistle committed by number 14. First personal foul. Second team foul. Highway. Number 24 dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shot. Intercept by number 69 to add to Ale. Number 14 dribbling the ball, guarded by number 29 and 20. What a move coming from break. Connection to 14 to 14. Number 8 dribbling the ball, guarded by break. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball, 12 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. Second shot clock. 2, lagi 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Ang oras 2 minutos o 43 segundos sa first quarter. 8-6 pabor sa ZTZ. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14 nangitag kapasahan. Pull up ako na lang, but not good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 9. Number 9 pass to number 24. Pass to number 8. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Turane Penghoe. Ikaw na. Good for 2 points. Number 22. Number 14, break. Parate Toto, pass to number 14, pull up. Not good, Toto, ako, gyapon to. Good for 2 points. Number 13. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Hesitation. Number 8, dribbling the ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9, dribbling the ball, intercept by Toto. Toto, nasad nagdali. Easy layup coming from Toto. Gualis this ang score. Ang oras 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score Gualis this. Number 14 break dribbling the ball. Break dribbling the ball, guarded by number 9. Naaliting Hohe, guarded sa aliting Hohe, pass to number, out of bounds, same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 69. Pass to number 10 seconds to shoot, intercept, out of bounds. 8 seconds, shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock, pass to break. 7, 6, 5. Traveling violation committed by break. 51 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score, Wallace Jess. Number 9, dribbling the ball, get them up. But there's a whistle committed by number 14. First personal foul, 13 foul. 30 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Blocked by number 69, but out of bounds. 13. Bulak. 20 seconds remaining time. 15. Number 14, 28, 10 seconds remaining time. Good for 2 points. Number 24. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first quarter. 12-10 pabor sa ZTZ. Pugihan na ginanim ko bata. Sinulog isa. Sinulog, dribbling the ball, paso number 14. Number 14. 15 seconds na yun, paso 14 again. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Buwalis 12. Atan ba na siya? Dili day. Kulas nito. Paso. 10 seconds to shoot. Block by number 14. Naani break. Guarded by Kulas. Ako na lang, but there's a whistle committed by number 8. Kanay 8. Kana ba 8? Second personal foul. First team foul. Oh, lagi. Number 00 na. Tipid senior na sa. Break. Dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8. Not good. Rebound by number 10. Sila by out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Ang score, 12 iguales. 8 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Biba Pet Senior. Kuha ni Kulas. Blocked by number 14. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 10, pass to number 8. 12 seconds to shoot. Oop, there's a whistle. Who's foul red? Number 14, break. Second personal foul. First team foul. Highway. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Intercept, but still recover. 5 seconds to shot. 3, 2, 1. Oh, but there's a whistle. Sa the ref. Foul. Number 00. 14 na ball. 14. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper. Put Seren and score.
Toy, kisay daw gato, Toy. Kisay daw.
Ang score, 14-12. Break. Oh, there's a whistle. Number 8, third personal foul. Second team foul. ZTZ. Substitution. Win out. In. Pass to number 21. Sibong Hanay. 12 seconds to shoot. Podol Ponte. Air ball ang labas. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Biba Pet Senior. Behind the back. Intercept by number 21. Pass to break. Side step. Layup. Ponte and score. Big ball. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to intercept by number 24, guarded by number 10. Nangitag kabasahan. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 21. Ako na God for 2 points. Number 21. Big ball yan. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Behind the back pass. Out of bounds. Substitution. Win up. In. Muratag ng periya nila. Ay, kul, baso kul. Number Beba Pet Seniors, nakuha ni Abay Dindo. Abay Dindo, bato number 14. Side step, not good. Iya lang gihabon. Out of bounds, substitution. In out, right in.
Patag itu maparok na patag apa sa pula. So patag para Gus. Di ba kayo bukan?
Ayun. Number 14-16, pabor sa highway. Ang oras, 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Ako na lang, but not good. Rebound by Dodot, nakunang suwang. Ako na lang. God for 2 points. Number 24. Number 29, dribbling the ball. There's a whistle committed by substitution. In at good end. Ang oras, 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Pull up, good for 2 points, number 29. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Ako na lang sat. Sinalaksak. Nakakuhang 2 points, good for 2 points. This is ice. Oh, there's a whistle. Who's ball rep? Substitution. In at not in. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. In at in. Number 26, dribbling the ball, guarded by Beba Pet Senior. Colas, Nido, back to number 9, not good. Forget the ball, but number 9 again, blocked by number 14, but there's a whistle. First foul rep, number 14. Second personal foul, warning for penalty, highway. Ang score, 20-16 pabor sa highway. 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Substitution. Wa may duol rin. Duol mo part og nay mo sab. Bantay. Good for 1 point, number 9. Beba Pet Senior, Dodot again. Ako na lang. Nakuha ni number 9. Out of bounds, pula sa ZTZ. 17-20, pabor sa highway. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Intercept, but there's a whistle committed by number 1. First personal foul, penalty situation. Penalty situation. Baca sa kasadol. O nyaray, kung baca sa kasa. First throw. Good. Time out. Highway. Hanger. Suitable. Usa. DC 8-20, pabor ni number 10, Abay Dindo, nakuha ni number 26, pull up, go for 2 points, number 26, Guales 20, ang score, Guales 20, 2 minutos, nakuha ni Toto, back to Beba Pet Senior, ako na lang, go for 2 points, number 6 Senior. Okay, mura sa kaksin. Number 9, number 29, dribbling the ball, lay up. Who's foul rep? Number 13, si Toto. Ikaw na to. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Highway, first throw, good. Good ball, first throw. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good for 2 points. Walis 22 ang oras. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Nanghitag kapasahan. 13 seconds to shoot, but there's a whistle. Who's foul ref? Number 26. Third personal foul. 30 foul. ZTZ. Si Beba Petsenyor. Beba Petsenyor. Pass to Toto. Spin. Pull up. Not good. Rebound by number 29. Intercept. Foul committed by number 21. Committed by number 21. Penalty to. Penalty situation. First personal foul. Penalty situation. First throw. Good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 26. Ako na lang block by Toto, but there's a whistle. Number 13. Toto. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. Paisasa. First throw. Good. Substitution. You're not. You're in. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Guarded by number 29. Pass to Sinulog. Beba Petsenyor. Behind the back pass. Number 1. Tico. What a pass coming from number Sinulog. Walis 54. Number 26. Foul. Penalty. Time remaining. 5 seconds remaining time. First foul rep. Number 14 is cut. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. First throw. Not good. Second throw. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Not good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket count. Ang score. Score. 20. Pila na po? 26-24. For sa ZTZ. Wait. Number 2, there's a whistle. Whistle rep. Number 14. 14. Kanang blue. Dilisin cut. Third personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Good. Next game. Prepare next game.
Score.
Don Mac o Corridas. Palihog ko. Prepare sa inyong requirements. Not good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pull up. Not good. Rebound yapon. Siwara-wara. Ako na lang. What? Who's foul rep? Number 15. Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. ZTZ. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Guided by number 26. Is stepping on the line. Kana ojo na wa kita. Drip kita.
Kita doon ano kayo? May mata.
Number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. Take Jorge. Pass to number 26. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 9, 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by Ting Jorge. Nakabuhi. But there's a whistle. Number, hold on it. Number, Tuan Tuali. Number 69. Personal foul, second team foul, highway. Second team foul, highway. Number 9, Pastor Tapia. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 29, good for 2 points. Number 29, number 14, dribbling the ball. Ako na lang, gigamit og lawas, nakita kapasahan, paso number 21, step back, pasa, intercept by number 9, nakuha ka mo na number 14, go, number 69, ako na lang sad, not good, rebound by number 26, number 26, secure the ball, but intercept by number 21, give lang, good, but not good, rebound by number 26, kilabay nga to ni number 9, paso number 15, not good. Rebound by number 29. Good for 2 points. Number 29. Number 69. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Ang is...
Time out, time out, time out. Time out, time out, time out.
31.
Time out, time out. Time out. Time out.
Dul, wag mo time out. Dul, kay...
Time out dong.
Number 26. Dribbling the ball. Plus number 22. Plus the... Pass to number 26. Air ball. Number 24. Inbox. Pass to number 13. Pass to Toto. Toto. Ako na lang to. Nakahuna si Toto. Not good. Rebound by Teng Hohe. Teng Hohe, number 22. Nangitang kapasahan. Pass to number 26. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Toto. Toto, ako na lang. Pass to number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29. Good for 2 points. Number 29. What a pass coming from 9 to 29. Number 14. Bre. There's a whistle committed by number 29. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Good for 2 points, number 24. Ang score, 29-32, pabor sa ZTC. Number 26, dribbling the ball, intercept by number 14, Bre, guarded by Teng Hohe, Rakabuhe. Sa akin ang Harold yang na mapakong. Substitution, in out, hot in. Ang score, 26-32, pabor sa ZTC. Ang oras, 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining time. Toto, dribbling the ball, back to Bre for 3. Not good. Rebound. Out of bounds, bola sa ZTC. Ang score, 26-32, pabor sa ZTC. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 8, good for 2 points. Number 8, Gambay Peroli Idlas. Number 14, dribbling the 13, dribbling the ball. Toto, nakabuhi. But out of bounds, bola gihapon sa ZTC. 26-34, pabor sa ZTC. Ay, with A. Number 14, Bre, gidamag, intercept by number 15, gilabay, intercept by Toto, gihapon, nakuha ni Toto, nakahuna si Toto, nakakuha foul, good for 2 points, Toto, may kasama pang foul. O foul rep, number 15, second personal foul, 13 foul, ZTZ, bonus throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, pass to number 9. Guarded by Bre. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Toto. Gipasa, gihata, gibikam. Go for 2 points. Number 29. 28-36, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 24. Number 24, pass to 69. Good for 2 points. Number 69. 30-36, pabor sa ZTC. Number 8, pass to number 15. What a connection coming from 8 to 15. 38-30, pabor sa intercept by Teng Hohe. Teng Hohe na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 22, 30-40, pabor sa ZTC. Intercept by number 9. Nakuha rin number 8, pass to 29. Back to Teng Hohe. Intercept by Bre. Oops, there's a whistle. 29. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty, ZTZ. Ang score, 30-40, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 14, dribbling. Hey! Unsa to rep? Traveling by Ulacang committed by number 14. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Pre. Nakuha na ni 69. Ipasa kay wala-wala. But nakuha ni number 9. Grupo part kaya makita. Number Pre. Ako na lang kay Chili bagay. God for 0 points. Number 9. Pass to number 22. Number, oh, there's a whistle traveling. Time out! ZTZ. Ang score, 32-40. Pass to number 21. Number 21, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pero iya lang ihapon. O sa tore. Out of bounds. Number 8, pass to number 24. Intercept, out of bounds. Bula sa. Corrida naman. ZTZ. Highway day. Number 21. Dribbling the ball. Nangita kapasahan. Pass to number Sinolog. Dodot. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 14. 12 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number 9. But there's a whistle. Out of bounds. 9 seconds. Shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. 8. Dead ball. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Easy layup coming from number 8. Number did it dribbling the ball. Don't die. Number 21, dribbling in. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. But there's a whistle. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. In out in. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Ang oras, 47 segundos. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9, back to number 29. Not good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Break. Guarded by number 29. Number 29, out 14. Break. Pass to 69. My God, sama bang foul. 34-42. Pabor sa ZTZ. Who's foul rep? Number 9. First personal foul. Second, penalty situation. Good for 1 point. 9 seconds remaining time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of third quarter. Ang score, 35-42. Pabor sa ZTZ. Dribbling the ball. Taas ra, dili tao ni NBA part. Dara bola. Waakol. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Intercept by Break, guarded by number 9. On number 8, Break, nakahunat. Good for 2 points. Break. Number 9, pass to Asa. Nakuha ni To. Ako na lang to. Number 9, kita na upang kontra. Out of bounds, Pula. Who's foul rep? Out of bounds, Pula sa ZTZ. Ang score, 37-42. Pabor sa ZTZ. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by number Dodot. Nakuha ni 29. Hey! Kita si Tobart. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number Sinolog. Intercept by number 9. Pass to number 24. Got 2 points. Number 24. 44-37. Pabor sa ZTZ. Time out! Highway. Last quarter. Next game, prepare. Don Macchiatos versus Corridas. Patakot. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Break. Guarded by number 24. Break. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. What a pass coming from 14 to number 24. Number 8. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Pull-up jumper. Easy 2 points coming from number 8. 39-46. Pabor sa ZTZ. Now, break. Gikamang intercept. Number 8 na habilin. Traveling by Yulakang. Committed by number 29. Ang score 39-46. Pabor sa ZTZ. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Number 24. Jump. Intercept by number 9. Guarded by 24. Pass to 8. What an extra pass coming from 8 to 24. Good for 2 points. 8 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Whoop, there's a whistle. Who's called it? Out of bounds pula sa. Out of bounds pula sa. Substitution. In out in. Pula sa highway hapon. Substitution. In out in. 11 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Not good. Rebound yapon. Nakuha ni number 9. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Not good. Rebound. Not good yapon. Nakuha ni number 24. Secure the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 8. Pass to Toto. Not good. Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Ang score 39-48. Pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Alcover. White ball back. But there's a whistle. Number 69 foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Not good. Ang oras, 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Bantay niya, bro. Second throw, ready to rebound. Good throw, 1 point. ZTZ. Labaw na po, 39-49. Toto! Pass to Wata! Pass! Toto 24, but not good. Number 29, pass to number 26. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Intercept out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Ang score, Gualis naman. 39-49. Ang oras, 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Number 8, Gipanda, but not good. Number 24, secure the ball. But number 6, there is number 69, pass to number Toto. Number 13. Tutok ng itagabasan. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 69 nakahunat. But nakabuhi. Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Prepare next game. Corridas versus Don Macchiatos. Number 8 dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Alcover. Intercept by number 69. Pass to Toto. Nakabuhi. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Layup. Not good. Rebound by number 24 again. Number 24. Iyagi hapon. Crossover. To the left. To the right. Umikot ng sabay-sabay. But not good. Intercept. Nakuha ni number 24. Got the ball. What a pick. But not good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. 6 minutes na lang. Intercept by number 8. Why nagatapat na? Good rebound. Forget the rebound. Nakuha ni number 14. Number 14. Nagdalay. There's a whistle committed by number 8. Substitution. Time out. ZTZ. Warning for fouled out. Number 8. First team foul. Number 14. Pass to break. Dribbling the ball. Nangitag kapasan, guarded by Tenghohe. Break, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, Poterenko 3. Number 42-49, pabor sa ZTZ. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points. And 1. Dead ball. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guided by number 29, intercept by number 8, extra pass, what a pass coming from 8 to number 22. Number 24, dribbling the ball, pass to number 1. What a move coming from number 1, bantay di Adol, kaya dita kita Adol. Pass to number 29, dribbling the ball, pass to number 29, pass to 22, pass to 29. Ako na lang, good for 2 points. Number 29, 55-44, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 69, dribbling the ball, pass to number 1. Number 1, behind the, nakuha na saan? Pass, intercept, nakuha ni Alcomer. Wak na call back part, but there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Substitution, in at 69. First personal foul. Second team foul. Dili, singkat pa. 24, not good. Rebound by number 14. Ato foul pula sa highway. Ang score, 44-55, pabor sa ZTZ. Dribbling the ball, guarded by number 8. Number 8, Lara pass coming from Bre to number 69. 46-55, pabor sa ZTZ. 4 minutes na lang ang nabiling sa last quarter. Who's fouled? Number 1. Substitution. In out. Number 26, dribbling the ball, side step, mahangyo, nakuha lang yapon niya, good for 2 points, number 26. Number 14, dribbling the ball, not good, rebound by number 14, but there's a whistle, where's ball rep, number 10, Abay Dindo. First person a foul, second team foul, first throw. First throw, not good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Second throw, ready for rebound. Ang oras, 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Not good. Rebound by number 9. Nangitang kapasahan. Break! Isa pa yan! Not good. Rebound by number 8. But number 26, good for 2 points. Number 26. 59-46, pabor sa ZTZ. Behind the back pass. Behind the back day. Did they pass? Good for 2 points. Number 14. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Substitution. In out, in. Ang oras, 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Break, dribbling the ball. Crossover. Break, ibanda. Lupas kong lawas. Partner na lupas at anjong. Out of bounds, number 14. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Arco Perez, right goal back. Good for 2 points. Number 8. Ang oras, 2 minutos o 47 segundos. ang nahabilin sa last quarter at o bounce pula sa highway. Ang score 48-61 pabor sa ZTZ. Substitution in out rotate. In out rotate. 5-1 sub. Show! Sir! Kaliwat sa right! Number 14, dribbling the ball. Spin, nakuha ni number 22. Ting Hohe, intercept by PB Pit Senior. Hala na nga ang mga taga-Pit Senior ni Sona. Number 14, Brebre, guarded by 2. Pass to number 14, pull up, jumper. Not good, rebound by Dudut. But number 8 secure the ball. But Ting Hohe, good board, 3 points. Ting Hohe. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Number 14, up! Side step, but intercept by number 8. Intercept by Dudut. Nakabuhi, Kispin. What a move coming from number 14. Number 8, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 14. 15 seconds to shot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, there's a whistle. Basket count by Kasama Bangga. Who's ball rep? Toto. Number 13. Warning for foul out. Bonus throw. Ready for rebound. Warning side shot penalty. Bonus throw. Ready for rebound. Bola sa highway. Ang score 50-65 pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Number 14 off foul rep. Number 9 second personal foul, 30 foul ZTZ. First throw. Prepare next game. Corridas versus Don Macchiatos. Second row, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. 51-65 pabor sa ZTZ. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29. Nakuha ni number 9. Fake shot, block by number 14. Iyan ang ihapon. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Number 14. Break. Dribbling the ball. Break. Ako na lang. Nangita ka ba saan? Intercept by number 26. Nangita ka ba saan? 26 guarded by number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Naniwal pa yun. Good for 2 points. Number 8. Number 9. Number 21, dribbling the ball. Time remaining, 40 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Break, guarded by Ting Hohe. Break, what a crossover. Pass to Toto. Good for 2 points. Toto. Number 29, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26. Number 26, intercept by Toto. What? Not good. Yeah, for Toto. 18 seconds remaining time. 13 seconds remaining time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, ZTZ. On MBB.
Hindi mo na maklaro yung mga nagkiri.
Number 29, Paleo Kog Ari sa La Misa. Paleo Kog Perma. Og sa